What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove the quarter glass window on a 240SX S14. So let's jump right into it. You're going to have to remove most of the interior pieces, including the back seat, but you can start with the seatbelt covers. They're going to take a 14mm socket. So is the back seat that folds down. You're going to have to remove that bracket as well. Then you'll move on to the bottom quarter panel. You'll start to pull it off once you get all those bolts off. It'll expose the bottom quarter glass, which is great. Once the inside quarter panel trim is removed, you'll have to remove one more piece of trim. That's the pillar trim that covers the top half of the quarter glass window. Now, once it's removed, you can see that there's glue that goes all the way around that kind of seals the window in, along with the window trim. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a heat gun and you're going to heat up all the way around the window. I would start in sections, heating up just small portions, and then you're going to take like a metal spatula and you're going to just push it inside until you get all the way through. Once you get all the way through as such, you will then run a metal wire through so you can kind of saw away from the glue. So you can saw the glue off, and make sure you do this slowly so you don't go into the trim. Note that you can also heat up the spatula to make it easier. Now this is what it looks like when the window is completely removed, along with the window trim. Just know that these two little things here are going to give you some trouble, okay? So just be careful when you're popping them out. They're just braces. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Till next time. Bye.